Hello children, how are you all? Hope you are all are fine, fit and healthy. So today in English chapter we are going to look at our third chapter, that is and friends. And means cheaty. Friends, it is written S. So there are many friends and also have friends. So in this chapter there is one boy named Tony who usually goes for play after taking lunch, but one day the timing was 10. He decided to go out for the play. He asked her mother, can I go out for the play? I will come back before lunch. Okay, we will be seeing the story in detail. Okay, we will be looking in book. So see, you have to open your page number 18. Okay, see, warm up. Which animal do you think can carry the heaviest weight? So here are picture given: donkey, ant and elephant. Elephant can carry heaviest weight. Okay, name one other animal that can carry heavy things. So you have to think. You have to give one animal which carry heavy things. Okay, let's see the story in detail. Read on to find out more about ants. So we are going to learn about ants. In the morning, Tony was all alone. What is the meaning of alone? Without anyone else. Okay, alone means without anyone else. Tony played with his friends after lunch every day. So what does Tony do? Tony plays with her friend every day. But it was only 10 in the morning now. Tony usually go for the play with her friend with his friend after lunch. But today it was only 10. Please, can I go out to play? Mother, said Tony. Here, Tony is requesting her mother that can I go for a play, because he usually go for the play after the lunch, but today it is only 10 o'clock. But he requests to her mother, yes, you can, Tony. So here the mother give the permission. Usually we also go for the play, right? You like to go for the play, but you ask your mother for, can I go? Okay, I will call you when it is lunch time. So here the mother tells that I will call you when it is lunch time, said mother. So he went out into the garden to play. Now Tony has got the permission of going for the play. So he went to the garden to play. Tony loved the garden. He loved to look at the colorful flowers and the fruits on the trees. So Tony loved the colorful flowers and fruits on the tree. When Tony went to the garden, he loved the nature. He loved the colorful flowers. As we know, we usually go in the garden, we see colorful flowers, colorful fruits, trees. Okay. He loved to play with the bundles of sticks. Bundle of sticks. What is the meaning of bundle? Guच्छा, लकड़ियों का गुच्छा. Okay. Dry leaves and an old pin pail. Pin pail means bucket. Come to the next page, page number 19. But today he also found something else. So now Tony went to the garden, but he found something else. He saw an old broken log in a corner of the garden. He saw an old broken log. See, here is a log, lakda. Okay. He found in the corner of the garden. In garden only he find that. A line of shiny black ants marched up and down his log. So here the line of shiny black ants. So see, there is a line of the ant. March. What is the meaning of marched? March means walk like soldier. Okay. And down his log. Tony bent down and said, "Hello, I'm Tony. I'm glad to see you." So Tony bent down and said, "Hello, I'm Tony. I'm glad to see you." The ants because there are many ants. Okay. Nodded their heads. Nodded, what is the meaning of nodded? To move their head up and down. Okay. Were they glad to see him too? So here the ant nodded their head. So they were also glad to see Tony. Tony watched them. What are they doing? Where are they going? He wondered. So Tony was thinking that what are they doing? Where are they going? He looked carefully at an ant. So now the Tony is looking carefully because he is wondering that what the ant was doing, where they were going. It was carrying some food in its mouth. So what were the ant doing? Ant were carrying food. The other ant went under the log and put the food there. So what did the ant do? Ant was putting food under the log. Okay. Turn the page number 20. Then they came out again to get more foods. So the ant again started to find food. They moved to one side to let other pass. So what did the ant do? Ant moved one side. So as we know, someone has to pass. If we are standing in a line, if someone goes to in the front, we have to give a side to let other pass. Okay, let other go. See, let other pass. What is the meaning of that? Let other ant go past. Okay, they work together and carry big pieces of food. Okay, see what is it? They work together. So ants were working together and carry big pieces of food. So imagine if big pieces of food will be there, a single ant cannot carry it. So they work together because they carry big pieces of food. So if every ants will work together, then only they can carry the ant. A single ant cannot carry a big piece of food. They went up and down and up and down. The ant goes up and down, but they never stop to rest. So here the ant were going up and down, but without taking time for the rest. They were not stopping. They were working and working. Tony watched the ant for a long time. Here the Tony was watching ant for a long time. Then he heard his mother calling. Here the Tony get the call from the mother that time for lunch, Tony. So as Tony's mother has already said that you can go for the play, I will call when it is lunch time. So here the Tony mother was calling him. So it was noon already. What is the meaning of noon? Noon means exact 12 o'clock. Okay, in a day. Now, he was feeling very hungry. So he jumped up and said goodbye. I will see you tomorrow morning. So here the Tony was feeling very hungry. So he jumped up and said goodbye to the ant. I will be seeing you tomorrow. His ant friend nodded their head but did not talk because they were still busy marching up and down. So Tony said goodbye, but the ant friends just nodded his head, means shake their heads up and down without talking because they were busy with marching up and down. That day Tony learned an important lesson to always work hard and work together as a team. So what is on that day Tony learned important lesson that we should always work hard and work together as a team. Okay, from this chapter we also get the knowledge, we get the moral that we should always work hard and always work together as a team. Okay, so here we finish our chapter. Okay, thank you.